That's enough of this beard envy crap. I'm Phil Shinbine. I'm back for another one of these Cool Tool Tuesdays, and this week, Power Shears. Do you find yourself in situations where you are cutting through tons of random little things that are made of plastic? You know, such as pipes, polyprop, ramset wall anchors, bags of chips, blister packs, zip ties, all this kind of plasticky stuff. If that's the case, then you could probably stand to get yourself a pair of Fastcap's Power Shears. They are super handy for cutting through all this stuff. I use these every single day, just about, in my shop. I have them in my back pocket at all times. So much so that I've often forgotten they were in my back pocket and sat down on the couch and poked holes in it and then had to stitch them up. So to that effect, I actually made a little pocket protector for it because I'm a bit of a nerd. I had to make this pouch because these scissors were in my pocket at all times, just about. If I was up and working and doing stuff, I just got in the habit of always having them handy. I tend to always have in my pocket a little pocket knife, but I always, regardless of what's going on, have my Leatherman on my belt. It's not necessarily always practical to get out the blade for this and, you know, chop the thing and then put the blade away and put it back on my belt. Sometimes it's faster to just pull out the shears. And the reason why you might use these instead of, say, your box cutters or some pliers or nippers or whatever you got lying around, they are very practical. You know, they if you carry them around in your back pocket or whatever, they have the big, you know, you can just pull them out nice and quick and easy. And they just work. You know, they just cut through all kinds of stuff. They have a little nut on the back here. You can adjust how tight they are. The blades on these shears are very thick, which means they're almost endlessly resharpenable. Not only do these cut plastics very well, I've also used these in the leatherworking side of my world. A lot of little fine fiddly bits of leather, I can just trim them out quite nicely. Much like a pair of scissors, but with a lot more strength and power behind them. You can use these shears to cut zip ties, ramset wall plugs, polyprop, your hose kits, packing straps. When you buy new tools and they come in this annoying blister pack, at the end of the day, these shears are just brilliant. Just do yourself a favor, come on down and grab a pair. For more information, click the links down below in the doobly-doo, and don't forget to share, like, what the, it's going okay. That felt weird. As always, I'm Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you.
What a strange person.